The Congress has slammed Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan for opposing Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train but batting fiercely for the proposed Thiruvananthapuram-Kasaragod K-Rail project. The Congress has said it is nothing but CPIM's double standard. If completed, the K-Rail will set up a 529.45 km corridor connecting Thiruvananthapuram to Kasaragod, and high-speed train will complete the distance in around 4 hours. Leader of opposition and Congress leader V.D. Satheeshan is spearheading the protests against K-Rail. When Vijayan, a Politburo member of the CPIM, floated the high-speed rail, there were no studies done, no discussions, and no answers to questions raised. And the only word what we hear is the K-Rail project will be implemented in Kerala, wrote Satheeshan in his Facebook post on Wednesday. They, the CPIM, say they are against capitalism but will shake hands with monopolists. Then they say they are totally opposed to globalization but will take loans from multinational giants. Their standard statement is they are with the people but will chase away the poor from their land. They claim they are for freedom and democracy, but if anyone opposes, then they are branded as anti-nationals. I wish to find out and ask them if this is what's meant by the terminology dialectical materialism, wrote Satheeshan. The Congress-led UDF and the BJP-led NDA in Kerala are strongly opposing this project and have said at no cost will they allow this project to take wings. Meanwhile, CPIM State Secretary Kodiyeri Balakrishnan on Wednesday said it's strange that the Congress, BJP and the Jamaat-e-Islami are hand in glove against this project. The latest is all these groups have joined hands together and have announced a Nandigram type of protest, said Balakrishnan. Veteran legislator of the Indian Union Muslim League P.K. Kunyalikutty on Wednesday said the UDF is now soon coming out with its third stage of protest against the K-Rail. Meanwhile, the social media is flooded with numerous trolls on the issue with pictures of the appalling conditions of Kerala roads, and it's at that time the government is planning a project which will cost in excess of 1 lakh crore rupees, according to a study by Niti Aayog. Another troll points out the numerous mega projects which the CPIM, when in opposition, had opposed and are now operative in the state. Since Vijayan currently is the biggest ambassador of this project for fear of any backlash, the student, youth or the women wings of the CPIM have not uttered a word and are seen backing this project, while many point out that had this project been showcased by the Congress-led UDF, it would have been mayhem and massive protest, which the CPIM in the past had launched against computers, tractors, Smart City Kochi, Cochin Airport, to name a few. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.